सब लोग उसकी तैयारी
Sri
कर
Trichu Sivaji, 6 minutes, please speak.
Thank you, Deputy Chairman, sir. Sir, the Health Minister in his statement has given a very clear caution. The battle of COVID is still far from over. Sir, we can, by way of experience and by way of the statements and all other statistics that are available, we are in a very precarious condition. Sir, India is crossing 50 lakh active cases today. And the mortality rate yesterday was 80,000 and today it is 82,000. Sir, may I humbly say, sir, the life of a human being has become so insignificant that they are just a number in this world today. Even the family members are not able to get near the person who dies out of this virus affection. But we are talking very, very lightly, and we have to fight for time to speak about that burning issue, which is all over the world.
Please, bolan dejiye.
Yes, sir. The Parliament, sir, see how we are sitting. Sir, yesterday in the Delhi Assembly, 2 MLAs were tested negative. After when they were attending the sessions, the report came, the RT-PCR report, that they are positive. What about the other MLAs? Day before yesterday, we had a demonstration here, and one MP who was with us was declared as tested as positive that evening. This is the situation we are living in. And you know, the fatal end of people, it's very, very, I think I may not have time to say about all those saddest things. But sir, in this house, where we have to discuss and evolve some solutions, we are fighting for time, sir. Sir, the Parliament is meant for debate and deliberation, that too very serious issues. All other issues are only secondary, sir. The whole world is concerned about this only. When I say 50 lakh has crossed and 82,000 deaths in this country, who are those 82,000? How many families behind? That is not as normal as it was. It was not lamented. Even the family members are not able to cry. And we are not able to let out our feelings and ask the government why this has been done or why this has not been done. Sir, kindly let me know from the minister. He has very proudly said that the nationwide bold decision undertaken by government initiated a self-imposed curfew, and the call given by Honorable Prime Minister's testimony to the fact that India has collectively stood up to manage. Sir, when was it, sir, the lockdown was announced? March 23rd. The first tested case, confirmed case was in India was January 2020. What were you doing all those time? The Parliament was working. All the flights were flying here and there. All the trains were operating. People were moving here and there. Theatres were there. Malls were there. Markets were there. And on March 22nd, sir, I was in Chennai. I had been there to get my declaration. I received a call from 2 of the ministers here. You have to come immediately. I said, situation is not good. He said, no, nothing like that, come. It was on March 22nd. On March 23rd, you are declaring a lockdown. So you don't have any pre-plan. You didn't anticipate. That's why Donald Trump, it is all because, the delay was because of Donald Trump's visit and you have a gala function. Lakhs of people. Only for that sake, this lockdown was postponed. And they were concerned only about not the lives of the people in this country, which is the foremost duty of the government, to take care of the lives of the people. Sir, thank God. A singer from London flew here. She participated in some dinner where some VIPs were affected. Then the government awakened to the situation and declared a lockdown. The strictest lockdown in the world is India's. The lowest fiscal stimulus is India's. And the greatest GDP hit is India's. Sir, the strictest lockdown. But what is the result? The post-lockdown result is worse in India than any other country. Sir, why, sir?
6 minutes is already 5 minutes you have taken. I'm just minding. Please. Please don't comment.
See, if at all we have to confine time, no meaning of talking at all.
Sir, 4 hours के बाद ये time distribution
Sir,
that we
let
have to
us-
follow.
sir.
We have to follow.
We have got 11 ordinances and 4 bills.
We
are
have
going
to
spend
follow,
time for
sir.
that.
ये 4 hours per
Kindly-
house के.
kindly
No,
consider,
please.
please.
I'll ask for other
Sir, the
speakers.
number of tests per million in this country is 720 only. Whereas US is testing 21 times than this. And so also Italy is testing 25 times. You are underreporting the number of cases and say that India is lesser in number. What is the condition of the health workers? The doctors who are working in the COVID wards were given quarantine earlier. But now it is not so, and they are allowed to asked to go to treat the general patients also. Sir, it is being spreading like anything by way of no action at all. Even you are not caring about the health workers, the frontline workers. They are not being taken care of. And what about that, sir, I got very, very important. What about the plasma therapy?
Please conclude now. Please conclude.
Sir, I plead.
You have already taken your time, sir. You have already taken your time. Please.
Speak, sir. Big subject.
Honorable members,
Plasma therapy is
honorable
only
members,
available.
time
That's being
allocated है
told.
उसके बाद में. I'll call for other speaker now. Please conclude.
Plasma therapy, which has been diagnosed as one of the treatment, what initiations have been taken? How many people have been tested? No report from the statement from the minister. He is only praising the government. We have done this and that. Sir, and also the IGOT, Diksha platform by DOPT.
Thank you. Thank
Sir,
you.
only one point I will conclude.
Thank you.
I think hereafter it's no point of coming here just to even not to let out our feelings and discuss a very, very important issue.
Already
kindly understand.
time has been
No,
extended.
sir.
Please.
Always what is
Please.
sticking to the time. What for here?
Then I will invite other
Only 1
speaker.
minute, I will conclude. And in that Diksha platform, Ayush personnel were 86,018. You know what happened there? When the courses was
Thank you.
were conducted.
Thank
Sir,
you. No, thank you.
only
No,
one point,
I will not
sir.
allow.
Only
Dr.
one
Keshav
point.
Rao.
The last
Doctor,
point,
please.
I'm
Dr.
concluding.
Keshav Rao.
Last
Dr.
point,
Keshav
I'm
Rao.
concluding.
No, Dr. Keshav Rao. You have already taken 2 minutes more,
Last
sir.
point, sir.
No, what is this? You have already taken more time. Dr. Keshav Rao. No, Dr. Keshav Rao.
Give me one more.
Already I am requesting you. You have already. Please finish.
Ayush personnel 86,018. In that course, what happened? It was only in Hindi. People from non-Hindi speaking asked, how can I? We are going to treat people. You are speaking in Hindi. They said, if you don't know Hindi, get out of the course. So Hindi was also imposed in
Please,
such a critical
please, thank you.
situation.
Thank you
are
now.
not taking care of
Dr.
the people.
Keshav Rao.
The lives
Dr.
of the
Keshav
people.
Rao.
Not treating
Nothing.
the
Dr.
patient.
Keshav Rao.
And you are concerned
Dr.
about that.
Keshav Rao,
I
please.
feel meaningless.
Dr.
to
Keshav Rao, your time starts now.
Time to speak
Dr.
on
Keshav Rao.
important issues.
Dr. Keshav Rao.
Very sorry, sir.
Dr. Keshav Rao.